Your recipe in summary, get their number, okay?
Yeah.
If you want to spend $1 million getting their number, ZoomInfo. Want to spend a few bucks getting their number, Lucia. Neither of those companies pay me. One of them's about to sue me because I said it's $1 million.
The one I use for healthcare, it's called Definitive Healthcare. So that's the one I use.
Perfect. And what's the title? What's the title of the person that you would like to connect with?
The radiology director.
Perfect. And is there a specific territory that you have, or is the whole world your territory?
Yes, I cover 12 states, say from the Canadian border right down to the Gulf. So.
Perfect. Hey, Matt, this is John with Acme Radiology Solutions. Wanted to reach out to you personally because I work with all of our radiology directors, basically from the middle of the United States on down to the Gulf. I was thinking about you this morning. I've got an idea that I'd like to get your opinion on. Could you give me a call on my mobile, 720-660-3202? That is your number one, surefire, best bet to get somebody to call you back. Now I'm going to ask the question that you're thinking about asking or about to think about asking before you even ask it. Ooh, what do I say the next time? Here's what you say. The exact same thing. Okay? Just wait 4 weeks. You're like, well, what do I do in the 3 weeks in between? Go call 352 other radiology directors. Keep leaving that message until they call you back. Keep leaving that message until they call you back, which they will at some point. They will call you back. If you are worried about your career in sales, you should be. Over the last 3 weeks, I've been brought into 7 of the top employers of sales professionals just like you. And there's a common theme with every single company that we're going to start seeing right now. Sales reps are either going to get removed, their job is going to be gone, they're going to be replaced, they're looking for new people that do it, or they're going to be rewarded. We've entered an age where you simply can't depend on your company to keep giving you handouts and support. You need to take matters into your own hands. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales training in the world. We're going to show you how to prospect, how to close, how to negotiate. We're going to show you how to make twice as much as you're making right now in sales within 60 days. You're going to have access to an online learning portal, and you're going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You're going to be around top performers from every single industry, people that are making mid-6 figures and even 7 figures a year in sales. Click the link here to learn how you are about to become a certified master sales consultant. While everybody else is worrying about their jobs being removed, while everybody else is worrying about somebody coming in and replacing them, you are about to be rewarded. If you're excited about your career as a certified master sales consultant, you should be. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.